trying to put this pump back in here. Looks like I had a fight with the silicone tube, and it looks like it won. Because once you open them things up, they never want to seal back. But we got the silicone in the areas we need around the pipe and the two other baler pipes. We got the shaft installed, and you got to make sure you grease that shaft with the synthetic grease. And also to make sure the rubber bumpers are installed on each end. We got that in there. These are the studs we have to line up with the pump, and sometimes that's a little hard on these plastic ones, but we'll give it a whirl. Put your washers on. Flat ones first. Put your lock washers on. Manufacturer calls for a little Loctite on the threads over here, so that's what we're going to do. Put your nuts on. No, that's not coming out of there. I don't like the way that one's threaded on there. I'm just going to get two other ones. Be right back. Tighten this up. I know they say to torque this to a certain torque, but I've already snapped 2 studs on this unit, so I'm just going to tighten it up by hand. And I'm going to go equally to tension it up. I think that's it. Next time we come back to you, we'll be putting the reverse flap on, hooking up all this linkage, and hopefully we can get a little more farther on hooking up all the water hoses. So until next time, we'll see you again. And don't have a fight with those RTV tubes like me, because they'll win all the time. So see you next time.